Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Remove the 2.5mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the base enclosure. Grasp the solid-state drive by the edges and pull gently to remove it. Place the solid-state drive in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the solid-state drive from the static dissipative bag. Align the notch in the solid-state drive with the key in the solid-state drive slot on the system board. Replace the 2.5mm P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the solid-state drive to the base enclosure.